Roof Paramedics has been located in South Australia for many years. With thousands of satisfied customers, we can offer you the best quality of services with the best value. High pressure washing must be done to remove old dirt, grime and moss. This process will ensure that the roof coating will last beyond the warranty. Our product guarantees waterproofing, storm resistance, and helps to maintain color and durability for many years to come. We take pride in our work and cut no corners no matter what. Our base coat is 100% acrylic high glass colorized coating. This enables us to give 10 years guarantee both workmanship and product. Our product is safe to collect drinking water and it's been tried, tested and proven. Emergency services are available 24/7 for any damage caused by natural disasters. We are competent people and do not work with any franchises. We are no high pressure salespeople with commissions or monthly budgets to obtain, saving you a lot of money, even providing free quotations and beating any written quotation. Call Roof Paramedics today at 1-800-101-400.